All right, so this is the second of two videos that I'm dropping today, man. You know, I want y'all to know I'm dedicated to this 30 for 30, man. You know, last night was a fluke. All right, your boy was busy. It was a long day. Couldn't get to drop that video for y'all. But like I said, y'all getting 2 for 1 today. So for this video, I'm really just talking about something simple, and that's how to tie your durag. So I got my durag right here. There's tons of different ways to tie your durag, all right? And I'm not gonna get all crazy with like some of the crazy different ways to do it, but I'm gonna just pick out a couple methods that I thought was cool. All right, so I'm only going over a few different ways. I'm not gonna go through the full list. And disclaimer, your boy takes forever to put his durag on. Maybe I get something with wider straps than this one. I'm gonna rock with this one right here. That looks cool. So, first thing, of course, position the durag. So, this seam should be on the outside, not on the inside. If you do it on the inside, it's gonna put a nice little part down the middle of your waves, right? So you don't wanna do that. So, go like that. Make sure your stitchings are all like, towards your hairline like that. Boom. I do that on both sides. Now, for two-tone durags like this, what I do, and this is preference, what I do is I put the darker strap first. Okay? So, hold this one. So I cross it in the back first. So once I pull it like here, I cross in the back like that. Then this one, I bring around and I hold like this. You just go like that, pull this one, and we're going back around the other way. Just like that. Then we just get it, make a nice little knot. Nothing too tight, you don't need to tighten it too tight. You just want it close. Boom. Once you got that knot, make sure your knot is tight though, because you don't want it to get undone. So, tight knot. And you pull your durag down, and there you go. So, a lot of people leave it like this, and I do that sometimes too with the cape going, so they know that, I'm not a regular waver, you know what I'm saying? I'm a soup, and if you want to just leave it like that. I do this sometimes. Some people kind of rock it like this. This is cool too, especially if you got a hat. You could throw a hat over that if you want, but anyway, so and just like that, that's it. Real simple method. All right, this does everything that it needs to do. Nothing more, nothing less. You good like this. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all another way now. Yeah, so because of that knot, right? I saw this method for the first time last year. I'm gonna show you. I don't really do it too much, but it's a pretty dope method, especially after a washing style. It's a really good method to use because you could make sure that you're not setting in any kind of, nonsense. This time though, when you wrap around, watch what you're doing. So this one, I think I just wrapped over it. Oh, hold on. There we go. Like that. You grab this side. Just making sure all my stitches are showing. All the way around. Now when I get to this side, I normally like to tuck it underneath. I think you could kind of do it whichever way feels better for you, but I tuck it underneath. So I hold it like that, and then boom. Go. Perfect. Pull it tight again. I like to make sure everything look neat, man. Let me see, y'all. Alright, you good. So this is a way neater way to put your do-rag on. And it's flat all the way around. You still got the same type of compression to me. Feels the same way. You could loop over your cape like that. Have it like that. Or, let me see if I have a stocking cap on. So I got a stocking cap right here. I gotta re-up on these too, man. This one is dusty looking. Anyway, so you can have your stocking cap. You pull it down like that. You know what I mean? go, like that. So I'm not ready for this yet. I don't need that. I don't need a stocking cap yet. Anyway, so that's two of my favorite ways to put my do-rag on. Alright. Listen, it's your boy Tech. Please like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, peace.